Hi everyone, welcome to my optimize review video. So this is one of the interesting products. This product was created by Conor, Marc, and Will. So it is interesting in a sense that it is one of those low ticket product, but in terms of the information that it has, I'll show you now in the members area section. So it's so packed with information. Yes, I'm so even surprised as to how can the guys charge such more comprehensive detail course for such a low amount, and I'll show you the price right now. So if you feel like this is something that you're interested in, this optimized product is all about how you optimize your YouTube channel, and how as an online marketing, especially as a newbie, you can maximize the different traffic, the free traffic sources, and how you can brand yourself so that you can become successful. This is coming from the guys who were newbies not so long ago. Now they are super affiliates. So I'm sure that this is something that most of the newbies want to get into. So if you feel like this is something that you want to get into, you're interested in, please stay with me throughout the rest of this review, so I can just take you through my custom bonuses that I have for you guys. But for now, let's just get started. We are now in my optimized bonus page. So I just want to mention that these bonuses will be available for free if you take up this product. So if you are interested in taking up the optimized product, just click in the description link so that you can have access to these awesome bonuses. So just to start off, the bonus number 1 is brand all OTOs. This is the product that is created by Will Stevens, one of the creator of this course, and he's offering you this product for free with all the OTOs that came with that at 100% commission. So the second one is the second bonus is the quickest way to build a list tutorial. We all know that an email list is important for you to be able to make it in the online marketing business. So this is a tutorial that will give you hacks on how to build your email list in a fast way so that you can gain an advantage to your competitors. Bonus number 3 that I have for you is to start your own online coaching business. So we all know that with how everything is happening right now in the current economy, so you need to diversify yourself and not focus on one thing. So if you feel like online coaching business is something that you want to get into, so this tutorial will help you and give you step by step on how to maximize the coaching business and ultimately be able to monetize and make money. That's bonus number 3. Bonus number 4 that I have for you is my top 10 tips on how to beat the competition. So there's a lot of people that are coming up in this online business. So for you to be able to gain a competitive edge, this tutorial will help you on how to fast track and be number 1 in the online marketing and gain an advantage to your competitors. So you can click on in one of these red button here so that you can just take up the bonus. The fifth bonus, these are the vendors bonuses that the vendor has given me. So this contains optimized templates and the introduction to what online marketing is all about. So the details are there once you take up optimize. We are now in the members area where I'll take you through the training, the optimized training where the guys have prepared for you. So this is comprehensive. I must say that I'm so surprised in terms of the level of detail that the guys have provided. So I'll take you through the training just now, but I won't go through the videos. This it will take forever, so just get the product for yourself, and will advise you in terms of the YouTube algorithm what is the best in getting your videos to rank high. So getting an age channel that is older than 5 years, that's what they are recommending, so that your channel will rank high. But for more details, you can just get the product for yourself. The next one is channel setup. This is how you set up your channel, and this is where also branding comes into play, right? How you add your bio, how you add like introduction and all that. So, and this will also help you with channel optimization to make sure that all the relevant information is captured, and this will help with optimizing your channel. And watermarks, this also helps with the optimization of your channel, and it works hand in hand with your branding. So the next one, recording your first video, because you've already created your channel, and your channel, in terms of the branding is there, the information of the channel, what the channel is all about. Now you need to create your first video. They show you how to do that and what tools to use. Here you can use OBS, and they show you how to set up OBS. So hence I was saying this is comprehensive. So it takes you step by step. You've created your channel, now you're recording, and you have optimized your channel. Now you're recording your first video, and they even show you in OBS capturing your screen. In OBS they show you how you capture your screen, because we know that OBS has sources and it has screens. So now they show you in detail how you can lay that out so that you can capture your screen while making a video. They show you OBS full setup. So in module 2, this is they show you how you upload your video in YouTube. And when you upload your video, we know that the keywords and tags are important. They show you how you can research, and there's also this the websites that they use, the free websites that they use to get the keywords, so you don't have to buy anything. So basically they show you hacks on how to get keywords, and we know that keywords in Google, they help you to rank high, because YouTube and Google, they are brothers and sisters. So this will help you a lot. And the title, how to write your title, description, and text, so that you can get optimized. Your video can get optimized. You don't just put anything there, so that helps. And your thumbnail, that's also important, how you can create and design it. So as I've said, guys, this is comprehensive. I won't go through everything. There's also a case study of basically they're taking newbies, so that they can show you how optimize help the newbies to be able to monetize and have and gain commissions. And what else here? Yeah, so that is what optimize is all about. It's quite comprehensive and so detailed. It's quite impressive, to be honest. So this is the training section, guys. Now I'm going to take you through the sales page. I just want to show you, as I've said, this is the sales page, and it also has testimonies from newbies. These are newbies testimonies. So this is what newbies were able to make just using the optimized training. So we can see that this is possible. With the right coaches and the right training, you can make a success in online marketing. So these are the guys who created the course. It's Conor and Marc and Will. And we'll know that Marc, he's one of the best super affiliates and who have helped a lot of people. And he's also Jono Armstrong coach. So So definitely this is something that you can consider, because it is prepared by one of the super affiliates out there, and they're saying that hiring. So Conor and Will, they've hired Marc to coach them personally. So Marc is legit. It's a legit super affiliate, traffic expert, and a tell it like it is guy. And hiring him wasn't cheap, but the results speaks for themselves. So they spend a lot of money to get Marc to help them. But what is good about this course is the price that they've set the cost at. I will show you in the price section. Is quite reasonable, so that for everyone to be able to make it in the online industry. So this is the sales page. You can just go through it once you take up the product. So they say optimize, never seen before, unlock exclusive high ticket profit strategies. So you use the strategies that are created by the high ticket courses using the low ticket product, which is optimized, because as I've said, the price is not that bad for a rock bottom cost. Predictable, passive, and recurring results online from 100% free traffic without any experience. So just to go through the benefits, it's the fastest shortcut to real success online. 6-figure coaching secret revealed without the high ticket price. 100% beginner friendly, free ticket from a massive authority platform. So they'll show you the hacks and the sites that they're using. All the super affiliates are using all those websites, the underground websites that the super affiliates are using to make a success in their in the business, in the market. So you will use the same strategies, but paying a low price for the cost. So let's go to the prices so we can see how much it costs. So the front end, this is the training course and those custom bonuses that I've showed you. So the fastest shortcut to real success online, 6-figure coaching secret revealed without the high ticket price for 100% beginner friendly. You don't have to have technical knowledge. You don't have to be in the industry for a very long time. So as a beginner, they are guaranteeing that Marc and Will and Conor are guaranteeing that you will make a success. And the next one is OTO1 Optimize Pro for $37. So I forgot to mention the front end is only $12.95 for all that comprehensive information. This is not bad at all, to be honest. I've done many reviews, but yeah, so this is impressive, to be honest. So OTO1 Optimize Pro for $37.95, you get 10 plus your optimized results, receive exclusive additional advanced training. You learn the essential hacks the gurus fail to mention, because you know that they won't share everything. You can ask them and say how are you making it, what traffic source are you using, what information, how are you ranking so high, how come your videos are not always number one. They will never share their secret, but they will be able to help you in this course. In this course, the course will reveal the secret websites the super affiliates use to guarantee their success. You discover the same software used by the super affiliates, and must-see traffic hack is essential for any beginner. So that's OTO1. OTO2 optimize done for you content. So this is when you don't want to do anything. So the optimized team will set you up so that you can get search of traffic with optimized done for you videos. Simplify, upload, copy and paste content for instant result. So and there's also 250 proven and test campaigns. So that means you'll use their campaigns. They'll set the campaigns up for you. You just copy and paste. In OTO3, optimize coaching, so you get one-on-one coaching with the super affiliates. That's a great one, right? So with Marc, Conor, and Will. So that's our OTO number 3. OTO number 4, and you will get a license to sell optimize and be able to get 100% commission through the optimize funnel. Okay, so guys, this is my optimize review, and as I've mentioned, maybe you have gathered how I feel about this product. The price for $12.95 for me, that's a winner, to be honest, for such a comprehensive and a detailed information, because we know that it's not easy to get into online business and become a successful affiliate marketer. So this teaches you how to brand your channel, and how to optimize your channel, and it also gives you the hacks that the super affiliates are using, the underground website that the super affiliates are using, and we know that most super affiliates won't even share their sites. So for me, this is worth it. But if you want to get it, just click on the description link, and you should be able to take it up. And once you take up the product, I just want to mention this is a Warrior Plus product. You will get an email from Warrior Plus, and it will come with the username and password. You should be able to log into Warrior Plus, where you'll be able to get your product. So guys, this is Kadi from Kadi's Digital Marketing. This was my optimized review, and I will be coming with other reviews going forward. But for now, thanks for watching my channel, and cheers.